Hi guys, hope all of you having a good time out there and hope everyone is staying safe. So at first I would like to start by expressing my deep condolences and respect to the soldiers that had died during the stand up with China during the last day. Actually, these guys are doing the most underrated job in the world. Come on guys, it's cause of them that we sleep good at night knowing that this group of soldiers are guarding our borders and everywhere. So I would like to start giving a respect out to them. So today the topic I wanted to talk about is about love. See, I'm not an expert in love. I don't know much about love also, but still, this is the story that I wrote with the little knowledge that I had about love. So the story goes by the title, "The Love That Never Expected." So actually, the story is all about a leaf who soaks in the greatness of the sun and then dies out. So actually, I was inspired to write this story by looking at a drawing of my friend. So she had she had drawn a dried leaf and she showed it to me. So actually, the time I observed the dried leaf, I could see glory in the dried leaves. Even though the leaf was dry and about to die out, it showed some glory, it reflected some glory, some good days in the leaf. So that's where I tried to come up with a love story that happened between the leaf and the sun. As I told you, this is not the perfect love story because the sun is not aware of the love. So through this story, I wanted to talk about the changes that happens in the leaf, the good changes that happens in the leaf. So the changes that happens to a person when he is in love, he or she is in love. So the story starts by enhanced each day, soaking in the one I love. True love is when I soaked him and live, burning out happily, even when he did not adore me in return. So as I told you, the sun is not aware of the love that the leaf holds for it. So actually, let's start the story. So in the starting, the leaf is all talking about the greatness of the sun. So the leaf is saying how glory the sun has, and how it is covered in the glory. And she also says how the sun let her come into this world with a slight ray. As you know, leaves do need, actually not leaves, the trees do need the rays of the sun for the activities. So like that I came up. So actually, coming to the next paragraph, the leaf is saying that the sun influenced all the changes and growth in me, and I took him in slowly. So the thing I think about love is love helps you to grow in slowly. Actually, true love will never keep you stagnant at one place. It's an opportunity for growth. Like, it should help you improve as a person, as a society, as a group, everything. This true love will help you to grow as a person. So here, the trees, the tree is saying to the leaf also, you be careful, because the sun is going to kill you out at last. But still, the leaf is saying, it is good to live in some glory for a few days rather than to live a whole eternity in numbness. So here I wanted to say to my friends is like, it's not about love. This is a slight deviation from the topic, but still, if you know you need something in life, just go for it. Don't stay stagnant at one place. Risk it, go for it. If you don't get it, it's fine. At least you tried for it. The worst thing in life is regret. So at 50, 60, sitting at some place in a desk, don't have the regret in your life. So go for it. Let's see what happens with them. So coming back to the story of love. So here the leaf is saying that the sun never knew me. The sun never knows me. So leaf is not keeping the blame of the sun also, because she loves it wholeheartedly. So she's never blaming the sun here. So days, weeks, seasons goes by. With each day, I would write a new love song to him, a song. So I would write a new song to him each day. I knew I grew into a good poet with all the beauty through him. So, as I told you, true love is unconditional. True love lets you grow. It never lets you stay stagnant at one place. It helps you grow. Uh, and the thing is, true love is unconditional too. So don't expect anything in return and start loving a person or anything, because that's not true love. That is conditional love. So that's totally different. And don't think that love is just limited to the words that we see in relationships and all, because I hate the word relationship. They basically, I don't know the reason of it, but love is the very thing that holds this world together, because love is very important. And if you lose love, you lose the basic instinct that human being actually. So don't let the human being that's inside you to die out or fade out. So please hold on to this feeling of love, to your neighbors, to your friends, to your partner, to anywhere it is. So I think I deviated a bit from the topic, but it's fine. So here, towards the end, the leaf is dying out. She has seen this. She has gone through the cycle of sun. She has seen seasons changing, and she is happy that she lived her life to the fullest. Here, you have to notice the thing is, the leaf loved the sun. The sun wasn't even aware of it. Still, she doesn't say that. I mean, she in the sense, the leaf doesn't say that she had any bit of regret. It's because she did what she knew was right and she loved. So there's not even a tinge of regret the day she dies out also. So the leaf says the sun never said a goodbye to her also. But it doesn't matter for her, because she knew the thing that she was doing was right. And it goes on and she fades out and she dies. So this was the story that I had written about the love. I mean, I don't think this is perfect love or anything, because the title itself says the love that never expected. This is the kind of unconditional love. So actually, if you think a bit, the only place where unconditional love is truly evident is the love from your mom actually. I mean, your mom, the mothers actually, because they do it unconditionally. You could change, you could do anything, you could be a bad person, you could be a good person, you could be a threat to the society, but still they love you. So that is one place that has seen unconditional love. So if you guys know more about any unconditional love or more examples, do say me and I would love to hear it. So that's all from today. Thank you.